Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using the product. I'm exploring Soracom's eSIM card solution available at simcard.soracom.io. This service provides global data connectivity, and I'm particularly interested in its potential for international travel and IoT applications. One of the compelling aspects is the pay-as-you-go pricing model, which could be advantageous for projects with fluctuating data needs. I'll be taking a close look at the coverage map, as ensuring reliable connectivity wherever I, or my devices, might be is critical. The platform also boasts user-friendly management tools that supposedly simplify tasks like activating and deactivating eSIM cards, monitoring data usage, and managing billing, features I'll definitely be investigating. Security is always a concern, so I plan to delve into Soracom's security measures and protocols. Finally, I want to compare Soracom with other global data eSIM providers to see how it stacks up in terms of cost, performance, and features. This exploration aims to provide a comprehensive overview of the Soracom eSIM card offering, helping you decide whether it's the right solution for your connectivity needs. I'll cover everything from initial setup and configuration to real-world usage scenarios. Stay tuned for a detailed breakdown of my experience with the Soracom eSIM card, and be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments below. I'm keen to explore the developer-friendly aspects of the platform, especially any APIs or SDKs they offer for integrating the eSIM card functionality into my own projects. The flexibility to control and automate data usage programmatically is a big plus for me. Furthermore, I'll be investigating the different data plans available and examining their suitability for various use cases, from low-bandwidth IoT devices to high-bandwidth applications. I'm also interested in any potential limitations, such as data throttling or regional restrictions, and will share my findings with you. Don't forget to stick around to the end of the video for a summary of my key takeaways and recommendations. I'm hoping this deep dive into Soracom will provide you with valuable insights into global connectivity solutions.